Make sure you do these 3 things to your knuckles, or you will regret having hands that look older than your face. As you age, it is no surprise that your body ages with you. Hands are one of the first parts of your body to age. I filmed another video specifically on aging hands and popping veins. I will link that video up here and even in description just for you. Because if you are noticing your knuckles wrinkling and drying, then you certainly need help with your hands too. Keep listening to learn why your knuckles dry and wrinkle and age so quickly, making the most delicate hands appear masculine, and how to help restore the beauty of your hands by taking care of these knuckles. Let's first understand why your knuckles look more wrinkled, more discolored, and rough as compared to the rest of your hand. The skin on your knuckles is typically thicker, with a higher concentration of melanin. That's the pigment that's responsible for your skin color. Now, this makes it naturally darker and more prone to hyperpigmentation compared to the rest of your hand. Now, this area is also often more exposed to friction or joint movement and also sun exposure due to its prominent position on your hand. Now, this can lead to a noticeable difference in your skin tone between your knuckles and the surrounding area. Your first step in achieving soft hands and knuckles is not your hand cream, it is exfoliating. If you've watched my content for a while, you know that I avoid using harsh chemicals, especially chemically loaded ones that leave your hands drier. Actually, even some of the DIY exfoliants can be pretty harsh on your skin and do not add proper exfoliation or blood circulation, which should be the main goal of exfoliating your hands. Don't reach out for that hand cream. Most hand creams don't work. Not because they don't work, but because you don't know how to use them correctly in the correct skincare order. I'll share more on this as well, so watch this video till the end. Now, I've always embraced Ayurveda and homemade solutions. But there's one observation I have made about grandmothers and women in Indian household that reveals a big secret for achieving soft, wrinkle-free hands and knuckles free of hyperpigmentation. Here's the secret. Daily activities like kneading dough or preparing batters for dishes like idlis and dosas naturally exfoliate and nourish your skin. When rinsing off rice and lentils or scrubbing grains off your hands, you're gently exfoliating all that dead skin away, allowing fresh skin to emerge. These natural batters are much finer and gentler than most store-bought exfoliants, making them perfect for your skin. The magic does not stop here. Now, while kneading these doughs, what do we use? Ghee. That's the clarified butter. Also, your hands and knuckles are getting that natural massage while kneading these doughs. Now, ghee is rich in antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, protect your skin from UV damage, and keep it hydrated with vitamin A and E. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties soothe your skin and reduce any kind of blemishes. So notice the older generation, they may not have the kind of hyperpigmentation or discoloration that your hands have. Comment below if you make this observation. The third thing that happens here is these are the everyday tasks such as kneading, washing, scrubbing. All of these naturally soften and nourish your hands. I've even noticed that after I make dosa batter, if I leave some on my hands for a few minutes, it acts as an incredible hand care mask and exfoliant. It reduces suntan, discoloration, and blemishes. So when you're cleaning out that grinder after you make the batter, don't immediately wash your hands, leave it on your hands for some time. This rice and lentil batter, especially fine ground ones, contain enzymes that tighten your pores. They exfoliate dead skin cells, soothe sunburned skin. Notice this rice and lentil batter is very fine ground. When you massage your hands, it also helps tighten your pores. It exfoliates the dead skin cells. It soothes your sunburned skin. And if you don't have this batter on hand, even soaking and grinding just plain rice can work as an effective mask and scrub for your hands, actually even on your face. In my customized beauty, self-care, and face yoga sessions, I share more natural remedies and techniques for facial, hand, and scalp care. Stick around until the end of this video to learn how you can explore all of these options. Now, let's come to our knuckle care routine. So after you wash your hands, start with products that have thinner consistency. So instead of immediately going for your hand creams, go for the hyaluronic acid serum, and then you can layer the thicker products after you have the hyaluronic acid serum on your hands. The lighter water-based products penetrate deeper into the skin for optimal hydration. This clumps out all those lines and wrinkles. I want you to take this Knuckle Hydration Challenge. For this knuckle pinch test, simply squeeze the skin on one of your finger knuckles for a moment and then let go. If you're well hydrated, the skin will return to its original position within 1 or 2 seconds. If your knuckles and hands are dehydrated, it may take more than 3 to 5 seconds. I've called my videographer to see how his finger is, okay? Let's see. So you see how long it's taking to go back to its starting position? It's still not gone. It's like a memory foam, it's taking its own time. Dehydrated! Wasn't that a fun test? So start with products that have a thinner consistency like hyaluronic acid serum and then layer on thicker ones. For example, I applied this hyaluronic acid moisture lock serum from Nira on my hands first, followed by a heavy moisturizer or a facial oil. This also ensures that your serum penetrates deeper into the skin for optimal hydration because of the massage that follows. So my suggestion is at bedtime, wash your hands and then while they are still damp, apply 2 to 3 drops of hyaluronic acid serum on your hands, especially around those cuticles and your dehydrated knuckles. And then I like to follow with an oil massage with this BioFirm facial oil from me-Parmita. Or you could even use ghee for this massage, but I don't want any greasiness on my hands and I prefer a massage where all the product penetrates into my hand and not in my bed sheets, which is why I like to go with this oil on my face and my hands. This oil gives me maximum nourishment without the greasiness. So notice how I'm going in circular motion, especially on my knuckles. Every knuckle, about 8 to 10 circles clockwise and then counterclockwise. Do the same around your cuticles too. You see already there is no greasiness, no oil, but there is still the glide that I need from the oil. Everything's getting absorbed into the hand. So massage it like this on every knuckle of your hand. Massaging your knuckles in circular motion for a few minutes can make them softer and smoother. Notice that my hands are facing up whenever I massage my hands to reverse the blood circulation. I want the blood circulation towards my heart, which typically your hands don't get when they're hanging down. If someone suggests a treatment like chemical peels, laser skin resurfacing, injectable fillers, or even fat transfer in your hands, then I encourage you to try these natural techniques first. Instead of opting for these costly professional treatments, I have been using Nira laser for my face, my eye areas, and even for my knuckles. Here is how it works. Place the device on each knuckle and wait for 2 beats and then move on to the next spot. This process stimulates collagen production in each treated area. If you're noticing thin skin at the back of your hand, then this device can help accelerate results. Plus, it comes with a 30-night trial period with a special promo code that you can see on the screen right now and in the description below as well. So give Nira Pro Laser a shot or give yourself Nira Pro Laser shots. Either way, you will benefit. Once you're done massaging your hands, you can put on gloves which are made specifically to retain the moisture in your hands. I'll link some of these glove options for you below as well. They're really good, especially for your feet and hands. They really help retain that moisture. When you wake up, you'll notice that your hands still look soft and plump and the skin looks really nice and plumped out. With these techniques, I can confidently say that you won't need any expensive manicures anymore. This approach covers everything from exfoliation to hydration to moisturizing, addressing sun damage. Or talking about sun damage, whenever you're stepping out, don't limit your sunscreen only to your face or neck. Give your hands some love as well. So yeah, it'll help you with reducing discoloration, treating skin thinning, soothing peeling cuticles, and even improve your natural nail health. With so many tips in this one video, I've surely given you reason to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that join membership button that you see somewhere below this video and become a supporting member of this channel. Here is the exciting part. I'll be hosting a live chat session exclusively for my members on this date, featuring a DIY manicure workshop. By joining, you will not only learn to save manicure fees that you spend every month, but you will also get access to exclusive DIY hand care and skincare tips during this live stream. So click on that join button and start transforming your hand care routine today. Share this video with someone whose hands catch attention for all the wrong reasons. Guys, remember that clock won't stop for your hands. You can take action now to ensure that your hands maintain your desired look and feel. As you age, remember that blush with me-Parmita, that is me. I'm here to help you look like the best version of yourself at any age. If you need help on any topic related to your self-image, non-verbal communication skills, beauty, and more, check out my website parmitakatkar.com and reach out if you want to work with me one-on-one. With hands looking all hydrated and moisturized, check out all my social media handles and make sure you follow me on all my social media handles so that you can get those shorter bits of content to keep you motivated every day. On that note, I'm going to take your leave, but I will be here next week because I'm here every week. Until I see you again, continue to blush with me.